Oh yeah, now so on the water. Water is on. They are escaping from their cages because they are too small, and this is what I am facing. You can see. So we're using twines to keep them in place. It is not easy, and don't worry, the hand cannot pack all. Okay. Today we are receiving, or rather, I am receiving my point of lay birds. Most of you guys know that I buy point of lay, and so I hope to carry you guys through the process about how we receive the birds, the drivers. These birds are coming all the way from Ibadan, and they have been on the road all through the night. So this vlog is an exciting vlog, and I just hope I can carry you guys through and show you. I've not slept a wink because I've been with the driver, like checking in, where are you, or where are you this, where are you that. So right now it's 6:30. He has put off his phone, which I guess is because of the battery, to save his battery. So I am heading to the gym because I have to keep my mind off worries about my birds on the road. And hopefully anytime he calls me when he gets into Port Harcourt, I will start heading towards them to lead them to the farm. So this vlog, it's a very exciting vlog, and I hope to capture how we receive our point of lay birds, how we put them in the cages, just my life generally. So this vlog is just going to be from the point of lay birds to the home to the gym. You get like it's a full encompassing vlog, not only farming. So just sit back and watch. Let me go to the gym to just do a few things while I'm waiting for my driver. My driver is on the road, guys. This is the most scary part when it comes to farming, the thought of your birds. But luckily for me, it is raining. Let me show you guys the rain, which is a good thing for my birds, even if rain will be beating them. But I prefer them to come into Port Harcourt under the rain than under hot sun. As you guys know, birds die from heat stroke and stress. So hopefully I just pray it rains all night on the road for them, so that I can receive them without much mortalities. And after this vlog, I would do another one to explain whatever I have in this vlog, or whatever questions you guys might put in this vlog. So let me go and keep body and soul together at the gym. All right, okay, see you guys. Oh god, this keke. Okay, so I'm back from the gym. It's 10:38, which means my birds have been in transit for over 14 hours. Yes, throughout the night, and they're meant to get here in the morning by 5, but he said he was held up in Benin. So right now he just called that he's at the boundary between Bayelsa and Port Harcourt, so which means he's almost here. I've not slept because I had to be following up with the whole trip, because the amount of money that is in that truck, thousands of birds. So I cannot rest until my birds are in the farm. So right now he's almost in Port Harcourt, or rather he's almost at Choba. So I just came up from the gym. I changed to the baggy trouser. And sometimes I like to be comfortable, and black trouser and black shirt. So I'm about to go and get to the farm. While I wait for their trailer, I sent my boy to meet them at a place called Choba in Port Harcourt, because they don't know the farm, but they have a common ground. They have a common place where they will meet. So I sent my boys there to go and wait for them. So while I'm heading to the farm to make other preparations, to make sure everything is ready, feed. God, I'm so tired because I've not slept. My eyes are swollen. Feed You know, the farm is clean, the beds have been disinfected. So that's where I'm heading to, and also to welcome the truck that is coming and make sure everything goes seamlessly. I'm also going to employ 2 other boys outside to help us transfer the birds. I'm going to explain why I did all that in another vlog, so you guys will just watch the whole thing while I will explain much later, because I will not have time to talk. Okay, I think I'm done. Who is this? Christian is calling me. Wait, hold on. Oh, hold on. Hello, Christian.
Hello, ma'am.
Have you seen them?
Yes, I'm with them now.
Okay, so you're heading to the house.
Yeah, now.
Where are you now?
We are still at the job now.
Okay.
Now flying back by yeah.
Okay, all right now, no problem. Okay. Okay, so which means they'll get to the farm before me. I have to hurry. All right. Sure you get. I have workers.
You want another person to wash your car?
I pay somebody to wash my car. Like, okay. Wow.
Buy me soap.
Soap. Please bring soap for him. Soap.
Yeah, yes. When I finish, because of your work, see as I did.
Because what?
Because of this work.
Bring soap.
I go enter for the photo for.
Okay. Okay.
I don't call him my own Jarema.
No, only one will get. It's for company.
We will need company.
No, my mommy.
No, it will not prevent them from uploading.
Okay.
I mean, the guests can be doing it.
Oh yeah, now. Christian, please don't do it. Please come.
Yeah, Christian, go and-
Please,
Do you have any feed for them?
Yes. Yes. Huh? Hold on like this. Can you see it? Can you see me?
Yes, sir.
I just want to sleep over there.
Yes, come. Where did that guy now?
For you to be
I don't want mortality.
for you to
I
be
fear.
for you to be scared about the rest, it's like maybe you have 16 weeks.
Yes, okay.
17 weeks.
Yeah.
Because that one
They don't mature small.
Yes.
They don't mature
You have
small.
already get
Okay. Nice like this.
yeah.
Yeah, let's go. So Christian, hi. Mary will come and see how it's meant to be. Try. Okay. So up ahead. They be carrying it to the end. Up easy, so that ahead then Mary and you be helping and put in the cage. You get? Why they'll be carrying? Down. Okay. Fast, yeah. Fast. Yeah, so they're bigger to me. Ask mommy. You've not seen the other ones.
This one, I mean, they can't pass through the hole.
Yes, mommy. They are actually bigger, Mercy was saying that they are small. I think Mercy, you never see bird. Mary, I want one bigger. The other one, they're passing through here.
I said, bring the recovery.
Fast. Fast, so that. How many? 4 or 3? 4, remember. Okay. You try and finish, you stop here. You try and finish one as an up. Like she gets like one. Okay, good. Christian, come. From which leg? Next. All right. Yes, I have enough air. So I'm telling you, mommy, 1.3 million. I start pulling next time. Abby, you don't see I finish. Thank you. No, Mary, see menu. See them. Oh yeah, wait. This one, they go. Okay. Oh yeah, take. Sorry. Take this one. Count well. 4, make sure. What happened? Okay. Oh, stress. Hold on. We see the go. Don't worry, you buy. You do it. Okay, this one for stress, Abby. Anti-stress. Yeah. Okay. Check. Yeah, just check. This is how we I'm missing it. Check, no worry. Okay. See. Mommy, so they're coming out. Christian, where is the wire? Because of counting. Because now they're even escaping. So they can help.
If you put the wire, to bring it out now,
will be a problem.
Okay, they're escaping. After we use rope. We use rope to tie it. We'll count.
Just check round. For them, just tie the rope immediately. And then we'll count. We need to count soon. To see. Okay. Take. Okay. In fact, wait. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes, again. So we have to make sure that they are 4 before we tie. But we can. Abby, I'm here, mommy. So I can help you. We'll just push it in now. Don't worry, leave them. When they come out. Look. Ah, jeez. Okay. Abby? I know. Strong. Okay. It's okay. One there's a barrier. There are 2 lights to rim. Huh? Don't worry. We'll bring cloth there. Just see. This is why they are all out of their cages. Okay. Any of that white one? Hey, wait, hold on. No, off. Here. Okay, so it's too inside. Who stuff like this? Just here. Don't go. Exactly. It is not easy, and they are escaping from their cages because they are too small. And this is what I am facing. You can see. So we're using twines to keep them in place. I'm going to explain in another vlog why I cannot even to catch chickens. We'll have to clean the I nearly fell, don't worry. To get more bags. Hi, Power. Their chicken inside a full crate. Blessed. There's a crate of chicken here. Oh. To offload this one. So drag that one. Remaining one full crate. We'll still select them later. Can see put it. Come on from here. Put them in here. That's all. Let's go. Are you tying every cage? So let me tell him. Like, how you tying the end of end? End. Okay, let me tell you. Let me. Easy. Even if they are 50, they can enter there. Escape. Let me show you the nipple. We have extra nipple, Abi. We have to check everything that has water. See. Lie. I preach. Lie. It's not. We have to check. If not. Okay. Be tight. So I have to check the water, making sure that.
This mat is big.
Okay. I know you guys will have lots of questions why I'm stuffing the cages with bags, why we are using twines. Sorry, my voice had been shouting yesterday. Why we're using twines to secure the cages. I will explain all of that in the next vlog. So please, any question you have, just type it for me in the comment section. I'll be replying you based on this video. Any single question you have, how to get your birds, the amount I used to get birds, the amount I paid for transport, what you should do before you get your birds that will not affect mortality. You can see I got thousands of birds, but only 2 died. It is amazing. So I know this vlog is chaotic, but that's because I do not have the strength to explain a lot of things. At this point, I am tired. I did not sleep throughout the night monitoring my drivers all the way from Ibadan to Port Harcourt. And this is how I look right now. I'm about to get to the house. The birds have settled down. I had only 2 mortalities. It is amazing, which means this was a 99% success. I'm going to explain everything in another vlog. Please, if you followed me to the end, the least you could do is just to click the follow button, like my videos, watch it, and I won't disappoint you. If you're on this page, you will know so much about agriculture, farming, what to do, the mistakes I made. I do not hold bars on this channel. I do not hold anything back. I don't even think you even need to learn about farming if you're on my page, because I drop tips constantly. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to drop any question you have under this video. That is the questions that I would answer in the next vlog. Subscribe now.